and this is FUE harvest. I'm using 0.9 mm punch. The important thing about harvesting in FUE is you need to stretch the area. Besides tumescence, either you can stretch it manually with your own hand, or you have two people to stretch the skin, and then you align and select a follicle, and with the motor on you advance it so that the follicle actually gets into the punch, and then you withdraw. And this is the same procedure that is repeated in all these multiple areas. And once that is done, you can do about 50 or 100 shots. There are people who normally do the extraction and then somebody does the punching. In this case, I usually do the entire thing myself. So I do drill about 50 to 100 follicles and then take them off in one go and then move to a neighboring site. So this way what I do is I try to, supposing I am doing a session which has about 2,500 or 3,000 follicles, I would like to do about 1,000 first and then complete the insertion. That means I don't keep the follicles outside the scalp for a long time. I try to finish the extraction of 1,000 and then do the insertion and then go back for a reharvest. I'll show you a close-up of the same procedure. Now you can see it's in more of a high definition. Here you can actually see as the punch is being withdrawn, there's a little bit of a jerky movement which I give, as a result of which there is a vacuum and the follicle tends to pop out, which helps in the removal of the follicle more easily. Otherwise you have to hold the follicle with the forceps and then push the scalp down, as you would have seen in many other videos. But here you can actually see the follicles popping outside the scalp, and that is an advantage in doing the surgery faster. You'll be able to get the grafts out and you can do it yourself, as I can show you again in a close-up of the same shot which you saw earlier. This will help you to see it a little more clearer.